Few days back, I did a video on Streaming LLM. There was a lot of interest as I showed how to install Streaming LLM and an introduction to it. In this video, I'm going to tell you the behind the scene methodology of the Streaming LLM, what problem it is trying to solve, and what is the inner working of it. This Streaming LLM is primarily a framework that enables large language models or LLMs to handle extremely long text without a performance drop. That is the biggest thing about it, and it has shown it on various benchmarks. Streaming LLM addresses the challenges LLMs face when applied to streaming applications when lengthy and prolonged interactions are expected. So, if you have dealt with streaming application in any way, you might be aware that there are two technical challenges around them. First is the caching previous tokens keys and values, or the KV, and that requires a lot of memory. So memory is one of the constraints. Second thing is that the most LLMs struggle with text longer than their training sequence length. So in streaming LLM, the solution they are suggesting is that first is attention sinks, which is to use and maintain initial tokens that the model focuses on. Secondly, they keep a rolling collection of recent tokens to optimize speed without sacrificing accuracy. Third, they add a special token during training to act as a dedicated attention sink, which enhances the streaming deployment. So, if I summarize the methodology these researchers are using in this paper, then it employs the concept of window attention and but also keeps the limitation in perspective. And then it discovers the phenomena of attention sink that keep the KV of initial token that helps recover the window attention performance. And then they are building the streaming LLM framework to help LLM trained with the set attention window size work with very long sequence length without adjustments. And as I mentioned, the performance is at par with the models like Llama 2, MPT, Falcon, and Pythia. So in these benchmarks, the streaming LLM has already demonstrated that it can handle up to 4 million tokens and it has outperformed the baseline by up to 22.2% speed up in streaming settings. So this primarily makes it ideal for chatbots and AI assistants, and I'm more than sure that on the basis of this research there will be a lot more models which will be coming out. If you have played with it, please share your experience in the comments, and I will drop the link to my other video about its installation in video's description. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.